Shut up, princess. Shut up and listen to me. Listen, as far as this kingdom is concerned, you have no choice.
I have a choice. I am a woman, and women's voice should be heard. I mean, you cannot just impose a man on me simply because he's one of your cabinet members' son. Father Chike is not just rude. He has no respect. We are not even married yet. He's already gallivanting the village with guards as if he's a prince.
Now listen to me. I am your father, and the Obi of Idumeju now. My word is final. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
That's what my daughter, like I said. Your father means what for you? He can never make a wrong choice. So I understand. But Chike is setting up the right choice for me this time. You know it's everything I hate. Father needs to allow me to make a wrong choice. Don't want to talk to him. Thank you so much. Can we go talk to him?
What is it?
Your Majesty, please calm down. Just take it easy on her. I know it looks as if our daughter does not want to take your word or the choice you made for her. I want us to understand her. You know I always stand by you in everything you say or do. But this one is different. It's about our daughter and her future. And the future of this kingdom as well.
Please, can you hit the nail on the head? What are you saying?
Your Majesty, what I'm saying is let us allow her to make her own choice of life. It is said, when a tiger becomes of age, it drinks blood and not milk. Let us not impose chicken on her. Like she said, she's old enough.
So, she said she's old enough to make a choice.
Yes, Your Majesty.
That's good. That's all right. Princess.
Yes.
I am giving you 14 days to go around all the clans of this kingdom to bring home a man that will be the next Obi of Idumeju. But if you fail, you have no choice but to marry Chike. Is that clear?
Yes, Father, I will not fail.
Good. But let's keep it within this palace.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Yes, Father. I'll make my father know I'm old enough to make my decisions. And this is why you brought me here? You would have just said it there. So how do you plan to achieve this? Are you ready for adventure? No, I want to go to a high when nobody knows me as a princess again. Oh, wait. You want to hide your identity? Okay. What happened to our dance and the maidens? I want to live amongst other maidens. Dress like them, dance like them, talk like them, do everything like a free maiden. It's going to be a 14 days adventure. We'll go with the other maidens. How do we feed? Taken care of. Mother will send the guards food and every other thing we need. And where will the other maidens sleep? That is taken care of too. I have a friend over there who will stay with her.
Ah, okay. It sounds like it's going to be an interesting one.
But there's something, Isiama.
What is it?
Promise me you won't tell other maidens why we're embarking on this journey. Yes, I told you this because you're my very close friend. Go and inform them. We leave tomorrow.
I don't think this is the welcome of you. Your father will not be happy with you.
But he has to be happy. For me to achieve what I want, I will have to stop. Whoever will fall in love with me, I want the person to see me as an ordinary lady with a princess.
Princess, I understand you, but you need protection. You need to go with the guards.
No, mother. The guards will cause suspicion. If I live amongst others as an ordinary maiden, no one will hurt me. I'll be fine.
I'm not just comfortable with this whole plan. I don't like it.
You have to trust me.
Before you do, you have to go and talk to your father.
I'll do that.
No, I'll be fine.
After this, you go home for something.
Yes, no,
Hey!
You will enjoy this ride for 14 days. Any decision you take, I will not query it. You know what is right and what is wrong. But if you fail, that privilege will be taken away from you. And you will live by what I say and do what I command. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Father. Father, I will not fail. I promise to make you and this kingdom proud. I will bring back that man who will lead our people.
You see, every leader has his or her own word. You are a leader, you should have your own word. You want to go into a community where you live as an ordinary maiden, a common person, you, a princess. No guard, no special maidens. Well, You know what is good. But please, do not bring the name of a Dumujuno kingdom to shame.
I'm very tired.
Okay, let me play.
No, some other time.
You're a very good dancer.
I know.
I'm so tired so soon. I don't know you this well.
Some other time. Let's go.
It's okay.
I know.
They are certainly not from Anyofo.
Maybe someone invited them.
Where? They sing well. And that flute boy is wonderful.
But you're good with the string you play.
Yes, I know. I know. I just like their spirit. They're one. They have a good team.
But you're good with the string you play.
I know. But I like their spirit. See, I like their spirit. They have a good team.
Why are you giving them unnecessary credit? There's nothing special about them. They're just ordinary people who sing. Are we not a better team?
Yes, we are. Gully. It's okay now. It's okay. Look, see, you don't.
Why are you like this? You are not dressed like a princess.
I know. Yes, we are here to have fun. I mean, I want to live freely amongst others. Yes. To show the people of Anya for what we can do. So over here, I am not a princess. And this should be a secret amongst us. Do not call me princess, but call me Ododo. Are we all together?
Yes,
Ododo. Good.
How? I'm so happy to see you.
Hey! Come back here. Where are you taking this thing?
Your Highness, Lalo said we should take this to Mr. Ododo.
What for? My friend, take those things back to the hut.
But Your Highness...
I said take them back to the hut. She doesn't need them. She's old enough to take care of herself.
Yes, Your Highness.
Your Majesty, don't you think we should send the guys to give them some food items?
No. No, we're not sending anything. It is her choice. She wants a match with me, isn't it? Let's move on. She wants to prove to me that she is old enough to do anything on her own. Fine. She went to Anyofu and become an ordinary maiden. She doesn't want to be recognized as a princess. Fine and good. We're not sending anybody. Let's watch and see how she plans to achieve her goal. I'm not going to be worried about her. Get us one wine. How is your son?
Oh, my son Chike is fine.
Okay.
I'm ready, very ready to be the princess husband any day, anytime. What of my wife to be the princess Ododo? Where is she?
She just stepped out now. She stepped out.
To where?
She just stepped out on a walk.
No problem. I overheard you telling Lolo about the wine, Otenku.
Yes.
Otenku was here this morning.
Of course, yes.
And he came with the...
He came this morning.
Oh, yeah, can you marry your cool? Let her get this drink.
On a fresh power.
That's very good. I know my wife to be, she's not around. No problem.
Hey, young man. Come back here, come back here, come back here, come back here. Has your madness gotten to the point where you would pass the next king of this land without uttering a word of greeting? In case you've forgotten, let me reintroduce myself to you. My name is Chike. I am the Ezebunafo of this land, and no one disrespects me.
Chike, why will I greet you? It was just a mere announcement by the king that the princess will get married to you. And we are not even sure if the princess will agree to marry you. You should better get useful to yourself, Chike, and stop deceiving yourself.
Our people have a saying that whatever name a man may decide to call the soup, it is the pot that suffers the most. When I finally become the king of this land, fools like you suffer the most.
Chike, until you become the king of Idumujuno kingdom. But for now, we all are still the boys of Idumujuno kingdom. You should better stop deceiving yourself. Better start farming like other boys of this village. Okay? And as for you, you are not even ashamed of yourself. A megad to Chike.
When I finally become the king, I'll let fools like him know what fire does.
Your Highness, what do you mean that she left the palace without her mates? That is madness.
She went to an awful kingdom. She said she wanted to go there and walk like a free woman. You know, she doesn't want anybody to know that she is royal. You can imagine, a princess of Idumujuno.
Oh, okay. If that be the case, she will come back safely. After all, we are not at war with any community.
Of course, yes.
But what baffles me is that, in fact, I wonder what will be her reason of making this tour with her dance group alone. Something must be fishy.
Esama, she is old enough to know what is good and bad. She said she wants to go out and see what life looks like out there. She has seen it all here in Idumujuno. Well, I have to let her go.
Oh, that's not a bad idea. But she ought to have left the palace with her maids, possibly with guards, for security reasons. At least that alone will attract more respect.
That's exactly what she doesn't want.
Yes. Hey, she doesn't want that. For security, for her, for Bakandi.
My name is Ugo, and here's my friend, Olisa. We saw you and your maidens dancing, and it was quite interesting. So we decided to come and watch. Just watch.
Just watch. That's my friend. I am Ododo. And the people you saw me with, they are my dancing. I'm trying to do it.
That's great. You dance for me. I must say, you're beautiful. You dance very well.
You observed so yes, you are not you came for sights. But you can always come and watch.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you. Yes, I'm a string player. I'm good at it. And my friend here is a dancer. I also have one other friend that dances very well too.
Oh, no, you can't do that. The dance are for maidens only. You can't.
I don't mind just to come and see. You just come and watch.
It's fine. You can come by this time.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, it's fine.
We should be on our way now.
Stop.
is wrong with you?
You don't have to lie to me. I saw you staring at her precisely.
Ugoli, I was not staring at her. I only greeted. We just greeted.
Yes, you greeted all, but you were lusting after her.
Was I really looking at her? Okay, fine. I stared at her, okay? But that doesn't mean I was lusting after her.
Liar!
You sound as if you're my wife. What is making you jealous, Ugoli? Ugoli! Okay, Ugoli, let's strike it in. Ugoli, just hold it now.
Woman, why were you looking at him lustfully like that? Well, they didn't look like lovers to me. And so? Hey! See, you have to take this easy. I know you have limited time for what you want to do, but let it come naturally. Stop pushing it.
Isioma! Remember, I'm still your princess, so mind the way you talk to me.
Oh, sorry, my princess. Just that I'm hungry.
Fine. If it's food you want, fine, you will get it. Just hope everything is ready. Yes.
Ada?
What kept you?
Well, your brother was playing string for Ododo.
Who is Ododo?
Ododo is a very pretty, nice maiden that came to visit her friend with her dance group. She just asked me to help her play the string, and we did. But I did not waste much time.
Okay. Your food is getting cold. You two, pick it. Go and join me. The food is getting cold.
We'll eat outside. Just bring it outside, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Your sister, I have to pick it. Come on, Steve. Are you not going to talk this?
I'm just thinking about the experience out there.
Deal with life, let it go.
Are you sure they are going to come to this location today?
Let us be patient, okay? She said about this time. Maybe we came a bit earlier.
I don't want to say anything. I don't want to say anything.
Better don't say anything. That will say something that will get me angry.
Gone? Why would they leave without telling us? We'll find out. Okay.
Okay, you have to go now. I can't go with you because I have something to do. But it's okay.
What are you doing here, Ugo?
Ugoli, I've not seen you since morning and I decided to come and know how you're faring.
Ugo, do you know that you are the most useless man I've ever set my eyes on in this village?
No?
Yes, you are.
What did I do?
So you and your useless friend Olise went to play string for that fool that came from Idumuje village.
Ogoli, is that why you're angry? Now I know your problem. What is wrong with you? Is anything wrong? Is there anything wrong dancing with her group? Eh? Ogoli, we've been together for quite a while, and you know we are very good friends. And you know how much love I have for music.
Have we not been playing and dancing together ever since?
We are.
So what's so special about her and her group?
Ogoli, there's nothing special about it. And there's nothing special about making them our friends. We love music. They also love music. Let us make something together. Besides, that's not what brought me here even. Look, we're invited to Bidumujono. The king wants us there. He wants us to dance and sing for his wife. She's sick.
What type of sickness need music to cure? And what's your plan?
I don't know about any sickness that she is going through, but all I know is I know about hypertension and depression. You know, notwithstanding, I'm going with you, Olisa, and some other persons.
We don't need any other person. You can play the string and sing while I dance. Then your friend, Olisa, can play other instruments. We don't need any other person.
Ogoli, I know what I'm saying. I want a quick recovery.
So who do you want to call?
Isioma.
Did you by any means meet Ododo on your way coming?
Yes, she was here, but she had gone back to where your maidens are.
Okay, I have to be on my way.
Or maybe I should walk you. At least show you the shortest way leading to the other part.
That would be great. I need to rest. Very soon we'll come up for our dance practice.
It's okay. So, let me show you.
Ododo, if the Obi wants them to come and play in the palace, then the queen is depressed.
Depressed, Ododo. Your absence in the palace without a name or a guard. Is that not enough reason to make the queen depressed or even give her a heart attack? No, it's not. This is all my father's fault. He wants to punish me. He has refused my mother the queen from sending foodstuffs to us. But you know what? I will not lie to you. I will not let him trick me. I will find him my choice. Ododo, your father is strong, but the queen is not. You know she cannot stand it if anything happens to you.
What do we do now?
I would want you to be with them, so I know how my mother is feeling.
Because of your absence in the past. Like I said before, you don't have enough time. Once he returns from the palace, tell him you love him and that you want to marry him. If he refuses, then we continue with our search. It's not going to kill you after all.
Jason, You are saying as if it's easy to walk up to a man and ask for his hand in marriage. Oh, it should be the other way around.
It is very easy. Be bold. It all comes down to one answer. Either he says yes or no. He will not kill you. No.
It's fine. When he comes back,
Hey, now you're talking like my princess. What about girls? Are you going to organize a dance today?
Today's party. Let them rest.
Everything about them is great, very good. The dancers, good. They were wonderful, very wonderful.
Indeed, they were great. Wonderful. I love the man that played the flute.
Oh, that's good, that's good.
But that does not change the fact that you forbade me from taking food to my own daughter. That is out there searching for food. That is out there searching for a man that she loves. And that will rule this kingdom after you.
Lolo, come on. I thought that the music would make you forget all that. Remember, she's there, she's out there on her own accord.
Yes. She's out there on her own accord. But we should support her in her quest.
No. It was her decision to go on that quest. And you know that. And in view of that, Lolo, she is going to be responsible for everything. The quest is hers, not me, not mine.
And you are where she went with her dance group.
That is not my concern. Yes.
Your Majesty, I don't know you to be this heartless. It is your daughter we are talking about here. Your own blood. Your child.
How was the dance? Or should I say performance?
Oh, well, it went well. DOP was so excited. He was very happy.
What about Ogoli and Olisa?
They've all got home. Yes, they've gone home. We were four that went.
4? Who made you 4?
Isioma, a friend to Ododo.
Same Ododo you played string for.
Exactly.
I can see you have feelings for that maiden, but do not wait too long.
No. I don't have any feelings for her. I don't have anything to do with her. Sincerely. Just that I like her because she's good in music and dances well. That's all.
But Ogoli also dance and sing very well too.
And we all sing and dance very well.
Forget it! Your food. Let me get to your food.
Believe me, she'll be fine. I did not notice anything. She was smiling all through the dance. Maybe it's not physical sickness. Like we said before we left, it could be depression or hypertension.
Or maybe she's hiding it from the public so not to be noticed.
But she just said she is strong. Maybe it's something emotional.
Emotional? That's the worst kind of sickness.
What's the matter? You've been sad since the time we came back from Idumejono. What is the problem?
Why should I talk to you when you were busy discussing and laughing with Isioma? I see there's something going on between both of you, and you left me alone to what we told you say.
So that's been your problem? Oh, come on. You know very well that there's nothing going on between Isioma and I, not even Ododo. Eh? And you know we've been friends, we've been dancing together. Just that Isioma was asked to join us. That was just all.
But you were not giving me attention.
Okay, fine. I'll give you attention, okay? Henceforth. Alright? Oh, come on. You know you're my friend. I smile for me. Smile now. Alright then, let's go. Yeah? Like anything else, you're my very good friend. Is it not you again? Please smile, be smiling for me. It pleases me that I sang and danced for the Obi outfit in Mujeono. They were so excited. The experience was awesome.
Wow, that sounds really nice. How about the wife?
She was also nodding her head all the while, and she was so happy, though she was so beautiful.
I can't just imagine. But why do you like it?
I don't know. With what I saw, the king was okay. He was calm. Even his wife was good. They were good looking. But I heard a rumor that the princess left without her maidens and guards. So that alone is enough for depression. So it's obvious they needed a music to calm them.
Why would the princess leave to palace without friends?
I wonder.
Maybe she has a good reason.
Yes.
There's something I want to tell you.
Really? What is it?
You know what? It's fine. Some other night, I will tell you.
Which means it's not as important as you wanted it.
No, it is.
What that's
It's
me?
not. It's
No,
not.
it is. Trust me.
It's okay. It's okay. But the truth of it is that the music and the sound is live to me. Anytime, any day. I'm so impressed that you have that same flair. That's why you love me.
Hugo, you have to open up to her. You don't have to set someone. Be a man.
What if she refuses? Because we are not of the same place.
But at least talk to her first. If she refuses, then we will plead.
Plead?
So what else will you do if she refuses?
I have a problem.
What is the problem?
It is who?
Are you talking about Ogoli?
Isoma! 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 Isoma!
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Is Isioma in?
No, she went out with her friends to dance.
Give her this. Tell her it's our own part of money given to us by the Obi of Jumuje Uno. Yes.
May God bless you.
You see, let her know that that's our own part of money. I brought it.
Okay.
So I have to be on my way now.
Won't you join them at the dance floor?
No, I'm going to the farm. I have a lot of work to do here.
Okay. Take care.
Although every time is the right time. You have to do this. Some told me you said you would do it when he comes up from Idumeje Uno. And now he's back. You're still procrastinating. I will do this too. You know what? You need to calm down. I am the one who needs a husband here. Not you. Yes. Okay, fine. I know you're trying to help me. But let me do this my own way. Okay. Okay. I will not push you again. I will not. I forgot. You are the princess. The one who needs a man and not me. I am sorry. Listen, your man. Listen to. Listen, my look. Okay, fine. I'm sorry. Listen, I said I'm sorry. Okay, fine. Get angry. Are you still angry? But seriously, you have to do this. You have to do it. There's no time. I know. Okay, it's fine now. I will talk to you.
Your Highness.
Chicken, the lion in town.
Greetings, Your Highness.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, Your Highness.
So how are you?
I'm doing very well, Your Highness, as you can see.
All right.
How about Princess Ododo?
Oh, the princess. She just went on a journey. She'll be back in a few days' time.
A journey?
Yes.
In that case, I should be on my way home now.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Okay, my dear.
Her Majesty.
Chika, you're here?
Yes, Her Majesty. I'm already on my way.
That's no problem. My regards to your father.
He will hear, Your Majesty.
My lord.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
Don't you think we should send one of the guys to check on the princess? My mind is not at peace at all.
Oh, come on. Come on, Lord. No. No, we are not sending anybody. We are not. She can take care of herself. Look, I don't want you to forget the fact that one day she's going to be the queen mother of this community. Will you be checking her up and down? Will you be sending somebody to check her? She's learning.
This is confusing. Something is not right about all this.
I went to the palace to see Princess Ododo, but the king told me she went on a journey and she's not yet back.
Okay.
What is it? I'm tired now. Can't you say I'm tired? Ah, then maybe we should go back. Go back. What are we going to tell Lolo? Maybe we'll tell her we couldn't find her. Or maybe she left for another clan. Or we'll tell her that we saw her and she's okay. What if she's not okay? And what if they find out later? What about the food item? What am I going to do to them? It's true.
Ogoli, I'm greeting you. Is anything the matter?
Isioma, why can't you leave Ugo alone? Leave him alone! Why are you and your friend Ododo always flirting with him? Why not take your useless body and go back to where you came from?
Ogoli, why are you full of joy? Why? I only came here to tell you thank you for the money he sent you. I went to his hut. His sister said I should check him. And that's why I'm here.
Okay. I will tell him. As you can see, he is not here. But please, tell your friend Ododo to leave my Ugo alone. Leave him alone. Allow him to concentrate on his music. Leave him alone to concentrate. He is not even interested. Why are you forcing yourself on him now? Leave him alone. Leave him alone. No, to concentrate. Do you want to destroy? Do you want to destroy his talent? Do you want to destroy his talent? You want to destroy his talent, Isioma? You people should leave him alone. No, leave him alone.
Today is the day I will tell Ugo how much I love him. I will tell him I want to marry him. I will tell him I am Princess Ododo of Idumudrino Kingdom. No. He will not know. I will not tell him that. He must not know I'm a princess. She kneels down to demonstrate. Please, marry me, Ugo. She stands and poses. Ugo, please marry me. Ugo, I love you, and I want you to be the love of my life. Yes, that is the best way to say it.
Isioma, what are you doing here? I didn't know you were there. I was looking for you everywhere. You've been so quiet. What's bothering you? Talk to me.
I am so confused. I've been having sleepless nights. I don't know how to discuss this. It might sound stupid, but I have to tell you.
Then tell me, talk to me. What are friends for? If I can help you, I will do it.
I'm in love with someone. I know I love her. And I don't know if I should talk to her about it. I don't want to look unreasonable. But that's the truth.
In love? With whom could this girl be? Tell me. Tell me, Ugo.
I'm in love with your friend Isioma. I fell in love with her when we went to Idumudrino. She was so nice to me, so friendly. She made me laugh. She's one of a wife. I'm so happy if you help me talk to her. Please.
Okay, it's fine. fine. It's your mama. It's your mama. It's your mama friend. I will talk to your mom. I'm so happy.
Oh, thank you so much. My goodness. Thank you so much. Look, I am so excited with this singular promise. Okay, it's going to be good if I stay together with this Yoma. I love her so much. Day by day.
I'm happy too. I'm so happy.
It's something in your eyes.
No, I'm not crying. Something entered my eyes. Tears. I'm not. Let's go so I could see your mom.
Let's go.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm happy. It's your mom.
It's okay.
Enough to make my own choice.
Will you shut up, princess? Shut up and listen to me. Listen, as far as this kingdom is concerned, you have no choice.
I have a choice. I am a woman, and women's voice should be heard. I mean, you cannot just impose a man on me simply because he's one of your cabinet members' son. Father Chike is not just rude. He has no respect. We are not even married yet. He's already gallivanting the village with guards as if he's a prince.
Now listen to me. I am your father, and they will be of Edumeju now. My word is final. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
I am so excited with this singular promise. Okay, it's going to be good if I stay together with this Yoma. I love her so much. Day by day.
I'm happy too. I'm so happy.
It's something in your eyes.
No, I'm not crying. Something entered my eyes. Tears. I'm not. Let's go so I could see your mom.
Let's go.
You will enjoy this ride for 14 days. Any decision you take, I will not query it. You know what is right and what is wrong. But if you fail, that privilege will be taken away from you. And you will live by what I say and do what I command. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Father. Father, I will not fail. I promise to make you and this kingdom proud. I will bring back that man who will lead our people.
You see, every leader has his or her own word. You are a leader, you should have your own word. You want to go into a community where you live as an ordinary maiden, a common person, you, a princess. No guard, no special maidens. Well, you know what is good. But please, do not bring the name of a Dumujuno kingdom to shame. But if you fail, that privilege will be taken away from you. And you will live by what I say.
played enough. Alright? So let me play so that you dance.
No, I don't want to dance today. This is where I belong today.
But I want you to dance so that we can.
Okay. Actually, I care.
Yes, I know. At least I play very well and you dance very well. So we care about each other.
That's not what I mean. I mean, I love you. And I'm ready to marry you anytime you ask me to come and marry. And I pray it happens soon.
Oh. Well, good to hear this. Okay, but sincerely, I don't have any plan for marriage for you.
Really?
I never thought of it.
Really? Okay, now that I have seen it, please give it a thought.
Can I walk you off? I have a place to go to. Were you able to talk to your friends about what I said?
I was going to talk to her today about it.
It's okay. So what exactly are you going to say to her? What are you going to say to her? I mean, what are you going to do to make her like me? Are you just going to tell her, hey, I love you? I'm just imagining, what exactly are you going to say to her?
Okay, you're so fun. Do you mean you're so talented? See the way you sing, there is no girl in this kingdom that will not fall in love with you. I'll make you say my fall in love with you. We maidens, we have a way of communicating. I know what to tell her.
Oh, thank you so much. That is why I'm so much like you. You're one in a million. You make everything possible for me. I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
Oh, stop!
It's so nice of you.
What you should do now is to try to make her hate go. And you can have him to yourself. You shouldn't make them come together again. You are supposed to be a wise princess of a great kingdom. Princess? Princess?
Why are you lying? Tell me the truth. Do you have anything to do with Ododo?
No, nothing.
Then why are you always with her?
Ugole, I am not lying to you, but let me tell you the truth. You and I know that they are very good dancers. And we dance, and they sing very well. Just like us, we dance and sing very well too. I'm just looking at a way we can join them, merge them together and work things out.
Me? Join them? Eh? Me join those useless girls? They should be begging to join me. I am a good dancer on my own. I don't need anybody. Join, go and tell them to beg. I don't want to join anybody. They should be begging me, Ogoli, to join them and dance. I don't want to dance with anybody. I am a good dancer on my own. Why? How can you say that me, Ogoli?
Calm down.
You should not say that next time.
No, calm down.
That's very bad. How can you say I should?
Today. You never teach me. I beg you.
Hey, let's slim down. You're sleep today.
If you ever hear the shoe, I'll tell you.
In case you have forgotten, I still have to introduce myself to you. I am still Diezebuna for the king in waiting of this great land. And in my honor as the next king of this land, I plead of you, tell me where Princess Ododo is.
I'm sorry, Chike. I can't say. I swore with my life never to disclose where the princess went to. Not to worry, Chike. All I can say to you is that she's fine. I'll be back soon.
Father, our people have a saying that a river does not flow through the forest without bringing down trees. I am worried. I am greatly troubled. The events of these past weeks have got me all worked up. It is becoming like the proverbial fly that perches on the scrotum. If you leave it, it dries up the scrotum. If you decide to kill it, you might end up bursting the scrotal sac. I have not been able to communicate with the princess for some weeks now. I thought she loves me.
My son, she loves you. Is that why you're worried? Like the father said to me, she traveled. Truly she traveled. And she will not be there. She will never remain there forever. At no distant time she will be back. Why so worried? Please, get inside and freshen up.
Father, I tried to speak to one of the guards. The guard said they made him swear with his life and with everything he holds sacred as a man, never to disclose the princess's whereabouts.
But my son, you have said it all. Is that why you are worried? Please, don't worry. Calm down. She will be back at no distant time. I assure you. Please, go inside. Go and freshen up.
Father, my father, ofeke malogu, madoga fokwa. Father, ofeke malogu,
I don't know why you don't want to confide in me by telling me what is happening in the palace with your daughter, the princess. I am your right-hand chief. Not only that, you promised me that my son will marry your daughter, the princess. Please, I want to confirm from you. Is the promises still stands?
Yes, Ama. The promise still stands. Now I will tell you. My daughter said to me that she is old enough to handle certain things. That she has the power to handle anything in this kingdom. So she took up an assignment that has a limited time. I gave her 14 days to do that.
What if she fails after that 14 days?
Well, if she fails, then she won't be old enough to do anything or to handle anything. Then I will be the one to control her, to tell her what to do. But if she proves me wrong, well, I will not bother her in anything at all.
That is not bad anyway. But you should have let me know that on time, so that I know where to that I have to carve another channel.
Sama, I did not tell you because I never wanted the information to get out of the palace. I just wanted to make sure that she's able to handle some powers that I will delegate to her. She'll be back very soon.
Hey.
Yes, she'll be back very soon.
I don't like this. I don't have anything to do with Ugo. Ugo is not in love with me. He has never said that to me. We only went to Idumujino to perform, and that was on Ododo's instruction. What is this now, eh?
Madam, are you trying to tell her that you'll not be sneaking out to see since you returned from Idumujino?
Me? Sneaking out? No, I have not.
So you have been collecting money from him? That is too bad.
That was when I went to tell him thank you for the money he gave to me. That was.
So you collected money?
It's not what you think. It was my share of the money that Obi of Idumujino gave to us. My share.
Do you know that it is bad to stab your best friend at the back?
Chisom, please stop this. Stop it. Stop it. I have not stabbed anybody, and you know it.
Know what?
What is going on here? I said, what is going on here?
There is a rumor that Isioma and Ugo are in love.
Isioma and Ugo in love?
Yes.
Well, yes. Ugo might be in love with Isioma, but Isioma isn't aware of it. So stop it! Isioma, look at me. Yes, it's true. Ugo is in love with you. Yes. No, Ododo, stop this, stop it. I do not need a man. You're the reason we came to Anyofu, not me. I do not want a man, I don't want it. I'm not interested. Yes, I know the reason we came to this land, but Ugo asked me to talk to you, and I gave him my word. I told him you would marry him, and that is it.
Where do you think you're going to? So, you want to take my Ugo away from me, right? You want to take my Ugo away from me? You will leave Ugo alone, or I will kill all of you and say you come back to your village. You don't know me, oh.
Who is this one? Eh? See, I do not have anything to do with Ugo. You are accusing me wrongly. My friends are accusing me. I am not the one who needs a man. It is Ododo.
Oh! So she's the one that wants to take my Ugo away from me. Eh? She's a dead person. I will kill her.
Who will kill her? You! See, let me tell you, don't even touch her, because she's... Why am I even wasting my time with this one? You wanted to fight me. You don't even know me. Ugo! Ugo! Why is that useless man? Ugo! Why is a stupid brother? Eh? Ugo!
He's not home.
He has to come out and tell me why he has been making fool of me in this village.
What is it?
He's been going around the village declaring his love for me. He told my friends. I'm not even aware of it. Ododo is in love with him. Now he's looking like I stabbed my friend behind the back and took the man she's in love with.
It's okay. I'm so sorry, and I promise to talk to him once he comes back.
You have to talk to him. You have to talk to him. On my way to this place, Ogoli confronted me, saying I want to steal her man.
What?
Yes. What is going on? I am tired. I'm confused. This has to stop. Talk to him.
What is going on? I thought the princess brought us here in search of a husband for herself. So what's going on? So what's going on?
I am really confused. See, I felt the princess is in love with Ugo.
Not as much as well.
But based on what I am hearing now, they said Ugo is in love with Isioma and he wants the princess to talk to Isioma for him.
Will the princess actually do this?
That is what I don't know.
Since you know that Isioma is not in love with him, you should go straight to him and tell him you love him.
That is stupidity. Why would I want to do that? Why? Ugo already asked me to talk to Isioma for him. So why would I go and tell Ugo I am suddenly in love with him? No, I wouldn't.
It's obvious Isioma does not love him. This is the only opportunity you have. This is the only opportunity. Tell him you love him now that it's not late too.
You are the one that wants to take and go with me. So you are the one that wants to...
What is wrong with you? Listen.
Leave my Ugo alone from me. You people should leave my Ugo alone from you. Or I will kill all of you and send your cause back to your parents. You don't know me. You don't know me.
What is wrong with you? Don't you ever try this again. Don't you ever.
You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me. I will kill all of you. You don't know
frustrated she goes.
You don't know me. Everybody is mad.
Don't mind her.
This is body like madness.
What if she tells Isioma now and Isioma says she doesn't love you? What will you do?
I don't want to think about it.
But I still think, I was thinking you love Ododo because both of you are always together.
I love Ododo. But there's something about her. Something great. There's this strong presence that hovers around her each time I get closer to her. She's not an ordinary maiden.
That's the reason you should go for her.
Look, that is the same reason I can't get closer to her, because if she says no to me, it's going to hurt me. I love Isioma, and I believe she loves me too.
Hold on, Ugo. You love Isioma, and you say that you love Ododo, but you're afraid to talk to Ododo because you feel she might say no.
Exactly. Exactly.
Ugoli is going to kill if she finds out.
Why will Ugoli kill me?
Because I'm sure she loves you.
We're mere friends. I sing and she dances. We equally sing and dance. We're just team.
It's not your fault that you love one and the other.
Love is a thing of the heart. It's time to ask yourself, who among these three maidens you truly love? And when you make a choice, go straight and tell the person what you feel. If it is Ododo, Ogolo, or Isioma.
Ada, let me be sincere with you. I love Ododo so much, but I don't know what keeps scaring me away from her. I'm always scared whenever I'm coming closer to her. And Isioma is one person I'm so sure she will reason with me and take me for who I am. And as for Ugoli, she's just a friend. We are a formidable team. We are used to each other. She sings and dances very well, and these are one of the reasons I love her so much. But I like her not to an extent of being her husband.
Then go to Ododo. Tell her what you feel for her. Tell her you truly love her. And do not send anyone to do it for you. Be man and bold enough to face her. And also let other maidens that came with her know that Isioma knew nothing about your feelings for her. They will be. It's time to set things right.
What if she refuses?
If she refuses, come home and wait for me. She'll throw up at the right time.
Our people have a saying that a river does not flow through the forest without bringing down trees. I am worried. I am greatly troubled. The events of these past weeks have got me all worked up. It is becoming like the proverbial fly that perches on the scrotum. If you leave it, it dries up the scrotum. If you decide to kill it, you might end up bursting the scrotal sac. I have not been able to communicate with the princess for some weeks now. I thought she loves me.
Like the father said, she traveled. Truly she traveled. And she will not be there. She will never remain there forever. At no distant time she will be back. Why so worried?
I tried to speak to one of the guards. The guard said they made him swear with his life and with everything he holds sacred as a man, never to disclose the princess's whereabouts.
She will be back at no distant time. I assure you. Please, go inside.
Ofeke malogu madoga fokwa. Father, ofeke malogu.
Chike.
Father.
Please come.
Father, you called.
Yes, welcome. I want to ask you one question.
Father, I am listening.
What do you think a woman can do to prove to her father or her people that she is strong enough to stand on her feet? I mean, something that she will do to make her father proud. In fact, something that she will do that is somehow bravery.
Father, it has never been heard of that a woman killed a lion. As such, when a woman kills a lion, it depicts bravery. And if a woman should bring home a strong man, a warrior, as her husband, and her father likes such a man, such a woman is brave, and she must have made her father proud.
Huh? That's all right. You can go.
Thank you, Father.
Yes. I got it. It's not possible. Chike!
Papa!
Go.
Papa!
Come, quick. Come.
Papa, you called me.
Come, let's go.
You called?
Let us go to the palace. Let's go.
Gonadimo, ezugono Ododo. Kili kawe kili Ododo. Mbasia tu gonja. Chimo gazenu mezu. Gonadimo, ezugono Ododo. Ezemo.
Where is he? I'm talking to you. Where is he? Inside the place. me, why? What wrong have I done to you? Tell me. Have I ever offended you before?
Isama, what is it?
Everything it is everything, Your Highness.
Why are you yelling at me?
I must yell at you. Have I failed you before? Talk to me. Have I?
Calm down. At least I'm seeing the obey of Idume Juno. Talk to me with respect. What is it?
Everything is the problem, Your Highness. Everything is the problem. You promised me before the elders of Idume Juno clan that your daughter, the princess, will marry my son here, Chike.
Yes.
But to my greatest surprise, you sent her out to go to another village in search of a man. What a slap on my face. It's very unfair.
Isama, calm down.
I'm highly disappointed.
Calm down. Calm down, Isama. Can we please sit down and talk about this one-on-one, man to man? Shall we?
Okay, let's go.
It was a big challenge. I'm sure she was there. You know, it was my decision that she married Chike. I like Chike. I wish him to be my in-law. This family loves him. But my daughter said she is old enough to find a husband on her own. What I don't know is if she has any fallouts with Chike.
I don't think there's any fallout. Moreover, you are her father. Not only her father, the king of Idumuje clan. Please, let's call a spade a spade. You are in the best position to tell your daughter what she should do. Nobody else.
Esama, let us be reasonable here. Yes, I am her father. And the Obi of Idumuje Juno. But if I continue telling her what to do, what if I'm not there anymore? What if I'm not there anymore? Because I know that one day she will become the queen of the Idumuje Juno kingdom. And what if I'm not there again to tell her what to do? She'll have to make decisions on her own. What I want to know is whether she is strong enough to fulfill this dream.
What if she does not fail? I mean, what if she comes back with a husband? Now tell me, what do you think will be the fate of my entire family? My son in particular, what will be his fate? Or do you want the entire community to laugh at me? Please, use your power. There's a power of incumbency. Talk to your daughter, please.
So you are living without fulfilling your dream.
Not all dreams come to pass. Perhaps my father was right.
Because nothing was Chike on her. Like she said, she's old enough.
So, she said she's old enough to make a choice.
Yes, Your Majesty.
That's good. That's all right. Princess.
Yes.
I am giving you 14 days to go around all the clans of this kingdom to bring home a man that will be the next Obi of Idumuje Juno. But if you fail, you have no choice but to marry Chike.
I am not old enough to make my own decisions. I will marry Chike.
But you will not be happy with him.
Yes, I know, but my father, the king, will be happy.
What is marriage without happiness?
I will find other ways to make myself happy.
My princess. Can we just go to Ugo's hut and beg him to marry you? Let us tell him who you are. Let's tell Ugo that you're the almighty Princess Ododo, please.
Never! I am Princess Ododo. I will never beg a man to marry me. If I beg a man to marry me, that means I'm that shameless princess. Say no more. My husband awaits me in Idumuju. Let's go.
What is it? You look worried.
I can't understand it. I can't really place it. I can't say if it were. I don't know if I can call that a dream or an imagination. I saw Ododo crying by the riverside, asking me to help her. And I asked her, how do you want me to help? She said I should look straight into her eyes and see what she wants. And I woke up.
There is more to this dream. She wants help. And you're the only one she needs to help her. It's something she cannot say. She wants you to look into her eyes. Because it's shameful for a maiden to tell a man to marry her. Never! That's why she wants you to look into her eyes so you could see love. Marriage. She wants you to marry her.
Are you really sure?
It's something she cannot tell you. That's why she wants you to look into her eyes so you could see she truly loves you. Go straight to where she stays. Tell her you love her. And tell her you want to marry her.
What do you want from her?
Please, I want to see Ododo. Please.
You are in love with Isioma, so go.
Please, I need to see her now. There's something important I would like to tell her.
The princess left with her people.
Princess?
Yes. She is Princess Ododo of Idumuji. If you want anything from her, go after her before it gets too late for you.
I said it.
There's something important. Something more about her. Ododo! How could you do this? All this while you've been living in disguise. All this while you've been in love with me and you never deemed it fit to let me know. How could you? Would you travel all the way to the wilderness with all the sacrifices for nothing?
But I tried so hard to tell you. Today I someone promised to tell you. Same thing you do with love with my friends. What was I supposed to do? When I saw you, I thought you were going to tell me you were in love with me, but you did not. Being who I am, I promised you I would help you without this. That's what I did.
But at least you should have tried a bit harder. I couldn't sleep. And each time I close my eyes, I feel a better part of me leaving. Ododo, you're the first person I ever fell in love with. But each time I look at you, there's this strange presence around you. And that keeps me scared. But I'm not scared anymore. I have to set my mind here. Ododo, please, I want your hand in marriage. Would you marry me?
Yes, I will marry you.
Really? Oh, thank you. I am sorry. It was not my plan to hurt you.
It's okay. The gods are wise. They are not fools like men. There are things meant to be, and there are things that are not meant to be. When the gods make a decision, men will always be men by trying to outsmart the decisions of the gods. But in the end, the will of the gods will always prevail. My friend, you and my friend Princess Ododo are meant for each other.
Wonderful speech for my wonderful friend, so
that's me.
But save that speech for my wedding day.
Yes, my princess.
Ugo.
Yes.
I want you to accompany me to the king.
Yes. I want you to be my father the king, whom you've already met.
No. But I'm not properly dressed.
It doesn't matter. Let's go. Let's go.
Who is this?
This is Ugo.
Yes, I know him. So why did you bring him here?
Father Ugo is the man I want to marry. He will be the father of my children and my future king when the time comes. Welcome, my son.
You people should hear me. Hear me and hear me loud. In the next Eke market day, we all shall gather here in this great Idume Juno palace to join Ugo and Princess Ododo as husband and wife. The first time he came here with his dance group to play and sing, I looked at him and I was praying to the gods. I said, if I will have a young man like him as my son-in-law, I will be very happy. Little did I know that the gods were listening. And today, I have him. Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome, my son.
Come on. Oh, well. Oh, well.
Your Majesty, she made it. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Ododo, Mbosi Adia tu Gonja.